Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Firebird knife made by GANZO, and today's video will be about the FB7621-CF. So the CF stands for carbon fiber. And inside the box we have a nice standard GANZO Firebird pouch, which is always good to have, and a packet of silica gel to protect from moisture, of course. The construction of the knife is made out of laminated carbon fiber with a G10. Lots of companies are making this the same way to save up on money, because carbon fiber is much more expensive than just your regular G10. I hope you can see it. The knife has a axis lock, which was developed by Benchmade, and we see here the new deep carry fold over pocket clip, which is much bendable and will protect your pocket clip, your pants from getting damaged. Also, we have a nice beautiful orange backspacer. This gives the knife a really nice highlight. So opening is smooth without problems. Okay, so let's talk about the specifications. So we have a overall length of 20.3 centimeters or 8 inches. The handle length is 11.4 or 4.5 inches. The blade is made out of 440C and it's 8.7 centimeters or 3.4 inches. The blade thickness is 3 mm stock or 0.12 inches. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inch. It's using a axis lock for locking, and the weight of the knife is 105.5 grams or 3.7 ounces. So the milling of the stainless steel liners are translated also to the scales. So this way we have a significant weight reduction. We have the brand logo on the one side, and the model number, the steel variant, and all those information that are completely not necessary on this knife. Okay. So this is a excellent design, which reminds me on probably a few knives. One, of course, is Shirogoro. There are few differences, obviously. And also the Real Steel E771, which is obviously a larger knife, but you have few similarities there. I'm not implying that this is a copy of either one of them, because it isn't. but GANZO does like to take few design elements from different knives and so mix them together and create their own knife. So this, in my opinion, is an excellent, could be a gentleman's carry because of the materials used and also the smooth texture of the scale. So you have no problems to carry this knife in your dress slacks or pants or thin trousers. The blade centering is almost spot on. Almost. Yeah. The clip is 5.3 centimeters or 2 inches, if you want to know the measurement. And the price is around $20 US. So it depends on the place where you are purchasing it. Currently I saw only the CF variant, but like with other GANZO knives, they probably will be released also in black and green, maybe also orange. Size wise, compare them with maybe some of well-known knives. Let's compare it to a large Griptilian. Here's a small one in blue. Here's the Endura and Delica, Spyderco, of course. Red one. And also Kershaw Blur. They are almost the same size. So this was the GANZO Firebird FB7621 -CF. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.